Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rated V. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to make vegan cashew crema that you can use on enchiladas, tostadas, or however you like. So let's get into it. So the base of this recipe is cashews, and I like using cashews because it's rich in healthy fats and protein and has a neutral flavor. I love using this on mushroom tacos, chilaquiles, basically I use it on a lot of things. For the second crema, you can use the same base and then add jalapeño, cilantro, and green onion, which creates such a refreshing flavor for dishes like enchiladas or my Caribbean sliders, which is in another recipe you can check out. Well, I hope you guys like this recipe. Let me know in the comments what you're gonna make it for, what you're gonna eat it with. I use it for so many different dishes. If you're new to my channel, I'm basically trying to excite people about plant-based food by substituting some of their favorite foods with vegan versions of them. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know what you wanna see next. Bye!